guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is my birthday, so I'm going to prepare my own cake. For the first time, I'm going to bake a banana cake. Keep watching and I'll show you the easy and simple way on how to make a banana cake. Come, let's do it and let's learn together. So here's the ingredients. Mash 3 pieces of banana. Okay, mix together 1.5 cup milk and 1.5 lemon. Sugar. And then 3 pieces of banana. Mix with 1.5 tablespoon of lemon. Then set aside. Wait. It's my first time to bake banana cake. Baking banana cake for my birthday. For the first time. Okay, set aside. Mixer. Add 3 eggs. One at a time. Limpyo na. Egg and 1 tablespoon banana flavoring and kahumot vanilla 1 tablespoon. Then mix thoroughly. Humot ay. Kailan ito salita na eh. Combine 3 cups of flour and 1.5 tablespoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Then slowly add to our egg mixture. So mix all together the ingredients, the banana, the milk, also the cinnamon. Okay, the salt ani. Ya akong measuring cups kay wala. Bana-bana ra. Sus, nangita ko dito. Mana noon? Nangita ko dito. Sus, nara man di ay. So we'll see. I didn't see the measuring cup. So I just estimated. So we'll see what will happen. Banana cake, first time baking banana cake, gone wrong. Gone wrong. Then preheat in the oven 350 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Or it depends kung maluto na siya or hindi. Then, so my mixture is ready. So let's put it on a foil or in a pan, but I will use foil. Put butter on the foil so it will not stick the banana. It's easy to remove. So let's transfer it. Yeah, ang banana kay daot nga nay daghang tibugol. We'll see. Nay gamay wa na pino. Tama ko. Thanks. So it's in the oven. Ooh, okay. It's cooked already. Smells so nice.
Hey.
Wait.
Oh. Oh, wow.
First time. Uy, hilaw pa mo na eh. Ah. This banana cake, but I think it's so sweet.
Wow.
Sweet, right?
Oh.
Tara!
Okay. Ta-da! Wow.
Guess the light din.
Kita. Apoy light din. Wow, wow,
Yeah.
liki. Hoy.
Here's my banana cake.
Oh, di man makita ang naong raw. Oh, kana.
Here's my banana cake.
Okay. Wow.
This is the finished product. Smells so nice. So,
May
Mader,
humot.
hatulan.
Hatulan. Ay, try.
Para next time, I can do better. Tell me honestly your comment. Wow.
Wow.
Look at the... Oh, wow. Perfect.
Oh, wow.
The
Nice.
consistency is perfect.
Wow.
See?
Bouncy.
Bouncy. Look at that. I hope it's not too sweet.
Wow, parang.
Sweet or not?
Marag pinuod.
Perfect. Wow. Sure?
Not so not so sweet.
Not so sweet?
Yeah.
Oh, perfect. Yay! I did it. My first banana cake. Since my banana cake last night was successful, so I'm making another banana cake to give it to my friends. We'll see if it's successful also. So this is the finished product. This one I'll give it to my friends tomorrow.